The Constitutional Reform Committee has now signed off on the list of recommendations. The document is being prepared for signature of committee members.
I would like to say to the Jamaican people that the efforts that the government has made is not in vain, that we will continue to pursue consensus, because the truth is that you cannot disturb the constitutional and governance architecture of the country without consensus. That is the reality. And consensus takes time and it takes effort.
I'm pleased to say the report of the committee is available to members of the public. Read the report of the Constitutional Reform Committee on the transition to the Republic of Jamaica. Cabinet has approved the issuance of drafting instructions for the preparation of the bill. So we're now going to be preparing those instructions based on what will be implemented from the recommendations. We are agreed that the monarchy should be abolished.
I rise to open the debate on the bill entitled An Act to Amend Section 61 of the Constitution of Jamaica to provide for new words of enactment. This act constitutes the first legislative step in a proposed series of amendments intended to give effect to a constitution enacted by the Parliament of Jamaica and approved by the people of Jamaica.
I'm pleased to report that the contract for the development of the Jamaica Legal Information Portal was awarded to the European consulting firm Softengi. Work commenced in February of this year, and a draft design of the portal has already been completed.
The first is a bill entitled An Act to Repeal the Jamaica Constitution Order in Council 1962 to provide for the recognition of the Constitution of Jamaica as an act of the Parliament and people of Jamaica, to amend the Constitution of Jamaica to provide for a non-monarchical head of state. The second bill is a bill entitled An Act to Provide for the Votes of Electors to be taken with respect to any amendment of the Constitution of Jamaica required to be submitted to electors pursuant to Section 49, subsection 3 of the Constitution, commonly known as a referendum.
Bill entitled An Act to Repeal Jamaica Constitution, Order in Council 1962, and to provide for the legal recognition and operation of the Constitution of Jamaica, notwithstanding the repeal of that order in council, to amend the Constitution of Jamaica to provide for a non-monarchical head of state, thereby establishing Jamaica as a republic, to make other amendments in respect of certain provisions of the Constitution, and to provide for connected matters, is today tabled in this Honourable House.